Hello everyone. Well, this afternoon a warm front is going to lift over us in southeast Nebraska, but 24 hours later, tomorrow afternoon, a cold front is going to work over us, so the active weather continues. Let's track it all starting at 8 a.m. this morning, and no warm front yet because temperatures very uniform across southeast Nebraska, upper 20s, low 30s. But we're already seeing a little bit of activity ahead of the warm front. So I do have to mention the smallest of chances of encountering some light snow. It's cold enough for snow right now for the morning commute, though not much out there. I do think most are going to have a dry morning commute, but do need to mention small chance of encountering a light flurry. I will say the best chance for these flurries is in the northern part of the area, and actually throughout today and into this evening as this warm front is lifting over us, it looks like more activity to the north and less to the south. And eventually the chance is going to be switching over to rain. But I will say, in general, we're not talking about a lot of precipitation. It's going to stay isolated. But for these isolated showers, I think the best chance of seeing some rain and snow is going to be in places like Columbus, Fremont, Omaha, Council Bluffs. And the smallest chance is going to be in the southern part of the area, Hebron, Beatrice, and Falls City. So let's jump ahead to 1 o'clock this afternoon, because at 1 o'clock, temperatures no longer uniform across the area. 1 o'clock, upper 40s, Hebron, Beatrice, Falls City, but cooler to the north. That's where the uniform temperatures still are, upper 30s, low 40s. And notice now, it's not snow, but isolated rain showers with temperatures on the rise. Now, by 3 o'clock, it looks like the warm front's going to be clear of York, Lincoln, Nebraska City, and then I think the warm front will be clear of all of us by 5 o'clock. And it does look like the best chance of precipitation, though, as I showed you, not much, is going to be along this warm front, but it does look like activity is going to stay isolated. Now, it's 5 o'clock this afternoon with the warm front clear of us that we're going to hit our high temperatures. But because the warm front came through first to the south and last to the north, warmer temperatures to the south. For Hebron, Beatrice, Falls City, highs in the low to mid 50s. Central part of the area looks like mainly in the upper 40s for our highs about 5 o'clock, and just only in the mid 40s for the northern part of the area. Ahead, along, and behind this warm front, it is going to be breezy. So this afternoon we're looking at gusts around 20 miles per hour, but certainly no crazy wind. And just as I mentioned how we're seeing a little bit of activity ahead of the warm front this morning, well, this evening, I do think there's going to be a little bit of activity behind the warm front as well. But again, the chance is small. We're just talking about stray showers. I will mention, though, with temperatures coming down a little bit behind the warm front after sunset, stray rain or snow showers. Notice the best chance still in the northern part of the area. This is 10 o'clock, but I do think by midnight tonight, the chance for precipitation coming to an end. But we can't stop there. Now we got to talk about tomorrow and the cold front. And I got to say, the timing for this cold front tomorrow looks about the same as the warm front today during the afternoon hours. So what that means is it's probably going to be a repeat in our temperatures. Notice in the northern part of the area, highs tomorrow in the mid 40s, then an area of upper 40s, low 50s, but Falls City probably reaching the mid 50s before the cold front comes through. Just like with today's warm front, it's going to be breezy along this cold front. We're going to have gusts right around 20 miles per hour, but the difference is, though I think the cloud cover is going to increase along the cold front, I don't see a chance of rain or snow. It looks like this cold front coming through dry.